So our Ikegger stuff arrived today. Very good. Oh yeah, welcome to brewery offices. You can see there, it's where we do most of our classrooms and stuff. I'll give you a quick flash through. We do some where we look at rebranding, we look at everyone else's, what they're doing. So, and now back to the job. Ikegger. We're really excited about this to see what's going to be in it. We have a fair idea how it's going to work. As home brewing years ago myself, I used to work from small kegs a lot. So this is something we understand. Well packaged. Thank you, nice note. Thank you for your purchase. It's nice to see things like that. A bit of personalization. If you're getting, if you're ordering beer from us, you might notice other things that are in the box as well. They didn't fall in by accident. We put in some bits of chocolate and nice things, just to say thanks. Be nice. Okay, so the whole thing on this is a keg that will fit in your fridge at home. That way, we don't need cooling. This is it. Wow. That's nicely made. So, as an engineer, stainless is always something shiny and nice. That's superb. Great quality. Wow, 5 bar pressure. That's quite a lot. That means there's not a beer at all that you're going to have issues with. You can run it whatever pressure you want. Individually boxed. That way it's probably the cap to allow us. That's obviously just on there is a blank tap, flow control tap. So now you can control the flow of beer through it. Really important. Forward. Very good. Let's bring that out. That's to attach it to the shank. So the shank will go in here. This will attach it on. Instructions. Shows the setup. Very good, very clear. Important to back off the regulator to turn off your gas. Don't lay the keg down with it attached. Mini keg setup. In fairness, they're well done. Their details and instructions are good. Things laid out. Spare O-rings. Tubing. So that's a quick connect. God, this stuff is so hard to do one-handed. If we were professional, we'd have tripods and stuff, but we're not. Okay, so that's a quick connect, which will go onto this. There we go. Okay. So that'll go on there. Gas in, I presume, beer out. Yeah, so they'll be on the bottom of here. Will be the tubing to go down to the bottom of the keg. Handle for the tap. Oh, you even get a spanner. And it's stainless. That's good. So a C spanner for tightening the coupling. That looks like for... No, I don't know. What else will be? So there's our regulator. There's your gas. So your non-return. Remember I said grey for gas and black for beer on the corny keg. So here's a non-return valve. So gas can come in and push the beer out, but beer can't go up and go into the regulator. And that's where you pay the extra money. You don't want beer going into something like this. Nice, well-made regulator, because it'll be all yucky. Start growing bacteria, and you don't want that and make it hard to clean. So there's our our fitting adapter to take a soda stream bottle. So that'll go up in there into the regulator. Soda stream bottle, which should be here. Super. So some of you will have these if you have SodaStream already. So the idea of this, the CO2 in here, we can ditch that out if you want to use stout. If you want to run any of the ales or lagers, just use this, absolutely fine. If you want stout, empty this out through the regulator, etc. We'll fill it with stout gas. And now we're going to be in a position where we can pour nitro stout. So I should have a nozzle. That's a standard ale and beer nozzle in there. Here we go. Here's the stout nozzle. That's it. So you see the discs. The stout will pour through that and break the CO2 out. So yeah, let's get everything cleaned, set up and filled, and we take it from there. Happy.